Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how we can evaluate some common and natural logarithms. So before we get into some examples, let's talk about what common and natural logs are with a definition. So a common logarithm states that it's a logarithm with base 10. So we see an example there, log base 10, or you might just see it as log with no base, so it's understood that the base would be 10, so we refer to that as a common logarithm. And the good thing about a common log is that we can use the calculator to evaluate what the expression would be. So for these examples, we're going to be using the TI-84 Plus CE graphing calculator. I will have that on the screen here in just a second when we get to these examples. All right, natural logarithm is a logarithm with base e, so it's written as log base e or as ln. This is our natural log. And another good thing about this, we have a button on the calculator that can help us evaluate what these expressions are as well. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and bring the calculator on the screen right now, and we're going to take a look at these four examples. So essentially all we do is type this into our calculator, and we can round into the nearest 10th, 100th, whatever we want to do. We'll round it to the nearest 100th in this video today. So if we're looking at our calculator, notice that down here along the left side, close to the number 7, we see the button that says log. So I'm going to go ahead and push that for log, and that's for number 1, we're doing log of 21. So now I can just type in 21 and hit enter. So we get 1.322, right? So for number 1, I'm just going to say 1.322. All right, for number 4, we have log 42 plus 5. So notice here that we don't have a base for these. That's because it's a common log. The base is 10, right? All right, so we're going to go back to the calculator and do log of 42. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter and then just add 5 to this one. So we get 6.62, 6.623. All right, so now for 3 and 4, we have natural logs. So notice that right below the log button, we have the ln button, which would be our natural log button. So for number 3, we're going to push ln and then 0.54. Hit enter, and we get negative 0.616. Okay. All right, and the last one, number 4, we are multiplying 4 times the natural log of 12. So we can type that in just as we see it, 4 ln of 12. Okay, and we get 9.9396, so we'll call it 9.940. Okay, so that's how we can use the natural log button, ln, and the common log button, log or log, on the TI-84 Plus CE calculator to evaluate some common and natural logs.